The finest quality deluxe construction comes with a trusted name. India Builders.
I am Professor Loganathan, residing at Gautama Apartments, constructed by India Builders. My friend Mr. Butchbabu was the first one to enter into a joint venture agreement with India Builders. I used to go there often. I went for the housewarming ceremony, and that house became the talk of the town. Everyone talked about the elegance of the building, the quality of the building. There was no other house like that in Korattu before that. On that day, I decided I should go for joint venture agreement with India Builders. So, one day I went with my brother-in-law and my friend to the office. Mr. Uttam Kumar, the MD, when I met him, when I talked about my desire, within 10 minutes, the deal was clinched. He was willing to build it for me. After that, he said, normally they don't go in for small land like this. But when once he saw me, he said, you could not say no to me. அவரை பார்த்த பிறகு அவர் முகத்தை பார்த்து முடியாதுன்ட்டு சொல்ல எனக்கு வாய் வரல, அதனால தான் ஒத்துக்கிட்டேன்னு சொன்னார். Even after that there was some difficulty in getting permission and all that. But he told the public relations officer that he gave word, it must be done somehow or other. So they got the permission. Then he asked Mr. Thambi to come down from his chamber. Well, I met him also. He was equally a pleasant person. And my friends and my brother-in-law, we were all so happy to meet such a beautiful partners. They are so understanding, so courteous, and they were willing to do anything for that. What strikes me most about Mr. Uttam Kumar and Mr. Thambi is their harmonious relationship and their humility. Mr. Uttam Kumar today is a very big business person, but when you meet him, he doesn't show off. He is all courtesy. Then after the building was started, all persons connected with the building, right from the mason, the site engineer, the supervisor who come to meet him, Mr. Chitrakannan, site engineer Tangasamy, and all others who come here, executive engineers and others, they were all very courteous, very politely they explained anything we asked. And then after the building has come into existence, this house again became a cynosure of all eyes. Everyone who passes through this state does not go without turning his or her head at the building. They all are full of appreciation for the building. And one interesting thing about the building is, there are not many curves and all that. With simple straight lines, they have constructed a very elegant building. My friend, my neighbor, my friend Mr. Purandar is an executive engineer. Now he has been promoted as additional chief engineer. He tells, after watching the structure of the building, he tells that it will last for 100 years. So the structure of the building has come in for a prize from all persons. Whenever I went to office, all those in the office, irrespective of the cadre designation, they were all full of courtesy, polite, and they were prepared to help us in any way. I must make special mention of Mrs. Varalakshmi. On the site, Mr. Chitrakannan. Tangaswami who has been here right from the beginning, and Sudha who looks after these designs and other things, and the public relations officer, Mr. Vijay. All of them have been trained to be very courteous. I have not experienced any bad moment any time I visited the office. It was always a very, very pleasant experience. Not only that, whenever small hiccups are here, when it was mentioned to them, immediately they attended without any grudge or saying this or that or giving unnecessary explanations. And they constructed this building as if they were constructing it for their own dwelling, as if they were going to come and live here. That is the kind of interest that people at all levels have taken while building this house. And everyone who has visited this house is amazed at the quality of construction, at the ventilation, at the lighting, and the materials used, the infrastructure, the quality of the materials. Well, not only that, some builders, when you go to them during the first talk, orally they will say one thing, but when they put it in writing, they will say something else. My friend went somewhere, he wanted the first floor with some builder. He agreed. Later on, when he sent the letter, he said second floor. He was annoyed. Never such things happen with India builders. And they are also very accommodative with regard to payments by some of the people who have bought the apartments here. On the whole, it is a very pleasant experience. You cannot ask for more. Right from the day one, I have signed the agreement. I have enjoyed a lot of peace because I knew they would build the house on time and they would give me a good product, and there would not be any cause for worry with regard to a digression from the approved plan, with regard to the quality of materials, with regard to construction or structure or things like that. I am very happy that I have gone to them, and I have become, or rather they have become a part of my family members after during this 1.5 years. And they were very prompt in handing over the building on time.